Hey, it's Mr. Tush over at Global, and we're going to take a quick look at your latest assignment, the Monkey Game, with some revisions. Now, the Monkey Game is something you can download, and you're going to download it here, a Monkey Game, and you're going to download it to your hard drive and upload it into Scratch. And when you do, you're going to get this. And this game's got, you'll see a monkey sprite, a banana sprite, and you've got some points here. What's going to happen, we're going to click on this, and I'm going to use the arrow keys on my keyboard. And as I do, it's going to move back and forth. If I go up and down, you'll notice that it turns. And if you want to know how we did it, we did this. I used the point and direction and moved 10 steps. And I've got all kinds of broadcast messages going on here. And including every time I move, I broadcast this thing called moved. Well, let's see now. I get close to my banana. I'm going to turn and face it. And if I get the banana jumps. Let's go chase the banana. And I've got the banana running around the screen. And right now, the version of the game I've given you just has the banana going around the screen. And the part that I've given you does all the scoring for you. So you can see how it's structured. You may need that when you do your final design. And that's all you're getting. You're getting the sprite here, the monkey, trained to move or taught to move using these blocks. And then you've got the when I received moved, it does check for the score. And you've got a variable called points that do that. So that's how we structured that. Now, the first thing you have to do is I want you to go to this particular form called Monkey Game Questions. So that's part one. Monkey Game Questions is right here, and it's got a handful of questions. Do those questions first. Then you can stop the video, do the questions, and come back here. After you've looked at the game and played it and answered these questions, then come back and you're going to make revisions. The revisions to the game are going to include, you're going to customize the sprites, you're going to create the block, you're going to create the block check for win, the broadcast win if the score is greater than 9. So you're going to create a win. You're going to allow it to have an input so players can play to 9 and then later they can play to 15 and they can play to 20. If you're really clever and you really want to get some extra credit, you can actually have it automatically advance by creating a second variable called win score and have that increase incrementally each time you play it. That's up to you, but it's an extra credit. And then add another sprite. This is required. It gives you 2 points if you touch it. So if you touch the sprite, the first sprite, the banana sprite, maybe gets a point. But if you put in a second thing with a whatever your higher value prize is, that might be 2 points. And then you get the game to stop at 10 points or more by telling the user that they won. And of course, the game must also reset on a green flag or a custom designed reset button. That's expected. That's a pretty straightforward small project called the Monkey Game. Hope you enjoy it. By the time I'm done, I shouldn't see any more monkeys. The game you show me should have completely different sprites. Good luck, have fun, be creative, enjoy. Bye.